Have you ever wondered how important image submission is in the world of SEO? It's a question that, frankly, doesn't get asked enough. Yet the role of image submission in search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial. It's like the unsung hero, quietly working behind the scenes to make your website shine. So, what is image submission, and why is it so important? In the simplest terms, image submission involves uploading and sharing your images on a range of platforms, such as image submission sites, social media, and your own website. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. This process is a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. Think about it. Images are a universal language. They can convey complex ideas in a way that's easy to understand and remember. This means that they can make your content more appealing and engaging to your audience, enhancing the visibility of your website. And as we all know, visibility is king in the world of SEO. A website that's more visible is more likely to catch the attention of search engines, boosting its ranking on search engine results. But that's not all. Image submission can also drive traffic to your website. Every time someone clicks on your image from an image submission site or social media, they're directed to your website. This increases the chances of them engaging with your content, whether it's by reading your blog posts, signing up for your newsletter, or making a purchase. And let's not forget about the user experience. Websites with images are more visually appealing and easier to navigate. This can improve the overall user experience, making visitors more likely to stay longer and return in the future. So the importance of image submission in SEO is undeniable. But how do we go about it? Well, that's a topic for another scene. Until then, remember, image submission isn't just about making your website look good, it's about making it work better. So keep those images coming. Embarking on image submission for SEO is not as daunting as it might seem. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1, the journey begins with selection. Choose images that are relevant and high quality. Remember, quality trumps quantity. The more relevant and appealing your images are, the better they will perform. It's not just about stuffing your content with images, but making sure those images enhance the user's experience and understanding of your content. Next, we move to optimization. This is a crucial step often overlooked. Optimization includes reducing the file size without compromising the image quality. A large image file can slow down your page load speed, which negatively impacts your SEO. There are numerous tools available online to help compress your images while maintaining their quality. In addition to this, you have to consider the image's alt tags and file names. An alt tag, also known as alt attribute and alt description, is an HTML attribute applied to image tags to provide a text alternative for search engines. Using alt tags is a way to help search engines understand what your image is about. It's essential to include relevant keywords in your alt tags, but remember, keyword stuffing is a big no-no. On the other hand, file names are just as important. Instead of leaving your file name as img1234.jpg, quote, rename it to something descriptive and relevant. For instance, if your image depicts a sunset over the Grand Canyon, a good file name could be sunset_grand_canyon.jpg, quote. This helps search engines understand the content of your image better. Now that we have selected and optimized our images, it's time for submission. Submit your images to popular image submission sites. These sites have high traffic and can help increase your content's visibility. However, it's essential to follow the guidelines of each submission site. Some sites require specific formats or sizes, and some may even require a brief description or category for each image. Last but not least, it's crucial to track the results of your image submissions. This can be done through various SEO tools that provide insights into how your images are performing. Are they appearing in search results? Are they driving traffic to your website? These are questions that need answers to ensure your efforts are paying off. And that's it. You've just walked through a simple yet effective process for image submission in SEO. It's a process that requires a bit of effort and attention to detail, but the payoff can be significant. So don't shy away from using images in your SEO strategy. They can be a powerful tool to enhance your content and drive more traffic to your website. And there you have it, a simple yet effective process for image submission in SEO. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive a bit deeper and discuss some best practices in image submission for SEO. Firstly, it cannot be stressed enough how important it is to use original images. Unique visuals not only add value to your content, but they also increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. So ensure that you're not just picking the first image you find on the internet, but rather creating or sourcing unique images that are relevant to your content. Next up is image optimization. This involves compressing your images to reduce their file size without compromising on quality. Large images can slow down your website, leading to a poor user experience and negatively affecting your SEO. There are numerous tools available online that can help you compress and optimize your images, so make sure to utilize them. Thirdly, we have the use of alt tags. Alt tags, or alternative text descriptions, allow search engines to better understand what your image is about. This is particularly important as search engines cannot see images, they can only read text. Therefore, including relevant keywords in your alt tag can significantly improve your SEO. However, remember to keep it natural and avoid keyword stuffing. Next, it's crucial to submit your images to high-ranking image submission sites. These sites have a large audience reach and can significantly increase your visibility. Moreover, they often have high domain authority, which can boost your SEO. Lastly, don't forget to track your results. SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. By tracking the performance of your image submissions, you can understand what works and what doesn't. This not only helps you optimize your future submissions, but also gives you a clear picture of your SEO strategy's effectiveness. Keeping these best practices in mind will ensure that your image submission process is as effective as possible. While image submission can greatly enhance your SEO efforts, there are a few common mistakes to be wary of. Let's dive right into it. First up, using irrelevant images. Now, it might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how often this happens. If your image doesn't match your content, it's like serving a steak at a vegan dinner party. It's out of place, and it won't sit well with your audience. Plus, search engines might devalue your site, thinking it's spammy or irrelevant. The next pitfall is not optimizing images for SEO. This is akin to having a Ferrari but not knowing how to drive it. Sure, it looks pretty, but it's not doing you much good. When you're not optimizing your images, you're missing out on a significant opportunity to improve your site's visibility. A well-optimized image can do wonders for your SEO, helping you rank higher in image searches and making your site more attractive to users. Now let's talk about the importance of alt text. Alt text is like a short caption for your image, describing what's in it. It's crucial for accessibility, but it also gives search engines more context about your image content. If you're not using alt text, or if your alt text is vague or irrelevant, you're missing out on a key opportunity to improve your SEO. Last but certainly not least, we have the mistake of not tracking results. If you're not measuring the impact of your image submission efforts, you're essentially driving blind. You won't know what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. Tracking your results allows you to refine your strategy and make the most of your SEO efforts. So there you have it, using irrelevant images, not optimizing images for SEO, neglecting alt text, and not tracking results. These are the common mistakes that can hinder your image submission efforts. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make the most of your image submission efforts. And remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes a bit of time and consistency, but the results are well worth the effort. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points about image submission in SEO. Image submission is not just about aesthetics. It plays a vital role in enhancing your online visibility, boosting your site's traffic, and ultimately improving your SEO ranking. The process is straightforward. Start by selecting a high-quality image, optimize it with relevant keywords, and then submit it to image submission sites. But remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Adhere to best practices. Use unique images, keep the file size small, and don't forget the alt text. These are crucial elements that search engines use to understand your image content. However, avoid common pitfalls such as using irrelevant images, keyword stuffing, and overlooking image copyrights. These can harm your SEO efforts and even lead to penalties. Remember, image submission is a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. Use it wisely and you'll reap the rewards.